Hey guys, Jamie Buchanan from Visual Perfection, the automotive appearance specialist in Morganton, North Carolina. Look, maybe you're a little skeptical about people doing some media content for you, or maybe making something to post on social media to drive business and funnel it to you. Well, look, my guys at the Media Corp, Mr. Dustin, look, man, they are legit. Look, I can go within 30 miles of my shop, everybody knows my name. After that, really not for sure who I am. Look, I'm traveling an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours away, and people are like, hey man, I saw your ads on the Media Corp. I saw your ads on Facebook, man, those look good. I've been searching you out. Look, we're getting all kinds of traffic from this thing. So I would definitely put my 100% seal of approval for Mr. Dustin and the Media Corp. Please go check him out. Thank you.